Hey everyone, good lovely afternoon. It is me, Jasmine. How are you folks doing? Hello. It is a beautiful day here in the lovely town of Sugarcreek, Ohio, also known as the Little Switzerland of Ohio. Folks, that right there in front of me is the world's largest cuckoo clock. Yes, and every hour, every half hour and on the hour, this clock springs to life with a performance, and so we have about 6 minutes. So I figured I would just do this quick show and tell of the area. Let me show you what's on this board. You can pause the video and read what's on it. Ohio historical marker, giant cuckoo clock. Yes, I see my shadow, hello. Every hour and half hour, this lovely cuckoo clock springs to life. There you go, Sugarcreek. Well, let me show you. Let's see, we have about 4 minutes left. Let me show you what's on this what's in this area. You can pause the video and read what's on it. Tells a little history of the area. It's a lovely sitting area outside. The sun feels so good. Oh, there! Folks have tossed coins in there. In a little figurine. Oh, let me go. This area, let me go find an ideal spot before this clock springs to life. Oh, just look at that. Alright guys, the world's largest cuckoo clock is about to spring to life. Oh, there you go! And that's that, folks. Oh, that was so lovely. And in they go. Oh, I so wish you folks were here. Oh, if you find yourself in the area near little Switzerland of Ohio, you have to stop by. Every hour and half hour, it springs to life. It is time to do some souvenir shopping. Yes, we're gonna go in there, check out what they have. Oh, do you see my reflection? Hello. I was thinking about getting me something to eat. So I'm just gonna do some shopping, and then I'll see what's up there right across the street. I don't know, it looks like a bakery. Hopefully they have sandwiches. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Alright everyone, that's it for this vlog video. I will see you in the next upload. Alright, bye bye.